Hello everyone, and today I'm going to use Chat GPT to show you the easiest way you can create a quick flowchart that you can use to represent your ideas, add to your presentation or research papers, and the best thing in this process is completely free. But I'm not just going to show you the basic, we are going to take it up a notch by leveraging the power of Chat GPT and Mermaid code, and then we'll bring it all together in Draw.io for a seamless experience, and let's get started. But before that, if you're really interested in learning such AI tools, and we have a wonderful workshop with only rupees 9, and link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT here to give me steps needed to create a systematic social media calendar, and I'm going to enter for generating the steps, and you can see here that it has given me almost a list of 10 different steps, very detailed and defined research questions, develop inclusion, monitor, track performance, review and adjustment, so on. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add this prompt, and what it says is please create a flowchart representing the process of conducting a systematic social media calendar, incorporating the above steps by step, and that we here assure that related steps such as conducting, monitor, track performance, review and adjustments are placed side by side. And you can change this if you have any related steps that you want to put side by side. Make sure that you mention that, otherwise it will just give an incomplete steps. Hit the generate option. ChatGPT has created a flowchart that illustrates the sequel steps involved in creating a systematic social media calendar, including setting goals, understanding the audience, choosing platform, planning, content scheduling, post monitoring, engaging with the audience, tracking performance metrics, and making adjustment as necessary. Now you can need a mermaid code to make this flowchart alive. So simply ask the ChatGPT for mermaid code to this diagram so that you can use this code in a platform or the tools that support mermaid, such as Draw.io or Markdown, as I'm going to use Draw.io, which is free tool to generate the flowchart visualization. Simply go to the Google and search for Draw.io. You can skip this step for now. I'll go to the file section, edit option. First I'll edit the name and I'll insert systematic diagram. After renaming, go to add option, advanced, and go with the mermaid code. You have to insert the code which you have copied from the ChatGPT from the previous tab. Go to the paste option and insert the code. Within few seconds, it will create a systematic diagram for social media calendar. But before revealing that, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. But you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save a job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best way to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Now let's get back to the tutorial. Can you find from a start to setting goals and knowing your audience, after that choosing platforms, it has created the best flowchart as I wanted. There are several options available. You can customize as per your requirements. You can edit the style, geometry, copy the data, etc. In the opacity section, you will find several options like turn the pointed corners to round its section, sketch the particular section, or give the shadow to the complete chart. Can you find the difference here between this stretch and the customize the diagram representations according to the professional and the casual requirements? You can easily go with the change color option, select the highlighted color whose visibility is good for the presentations. In my opinion, always select the contrasting colors. You can easily copy the image in the extra section option. You will find the change theme options also. Turn that on to automatic, classic, minimal, simple sketch, or add less as per your requirement. But remember, the changes will take effect after a restart of the applications, as This application is completely free with little drawbacks, but it still is the best application ever found. Change the style from top right corner just beside the diagram section. You will find more than 10 style options just for free. Here under the customization, you can easily change the background images with just URL or dragging a downloaded image. Explore more features from your end. Thank you for joining me in exploring this efficient and cost-effective method for creating flowcharts. I hope you found this demonstration helpful for enhancing your presentation skills and research projects. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tools to streamline your workflow. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time.